All right, more multiplication with fractions. Here I'm going to multiply these two fractions. I'm going to end up with something that reduces to lowest term, so I'll have some factors to divide out of the numerator and denominator this time. So I'm still going to use my first property for multiplication, or my rule for multiplying two fractions. I'm going to multiply numerators, multiply denominators. So it'll be 15 times 4, all divided by 8 times 9. Now, it might not look to you like I did much right here, but I actually did. I actually multiplied these two fractions. This is the result. This is one single fraction with this product in the numerator, this product in the denominator. Now, the next step would be maybe to multiply these out, but if I do that, I'm just going to end up having to factor them again later to reduce this thing to lowest term. So let's start factoring before that. Let's not actually multiply these out. Let's just factor. So here I have 15. Let's see, that's 3 times 5. And then there's 4, which I could write as 2 times 2, but I think I'll just leave it as 4. Here's 8, which is 2 times 4. Maybe I'll just factor it that far so I can see that I have that 4 common to the numerator denominator. And then 9 is 3 times 3. Now, I hope that's not confusing. I don't always have to factor completely. I factor enough so that I can see what factors I have common to the numerator and denominator. So in this case, I see, well, look, I've got a 3 common here and here. So those divide out, and I have a 4 here and here. So I'll divide the numerator and denominator by 4. And let's see, what's left in the numerator is going to be just 5. And what's left down here in the denominator is going to be 2 times 3, which is 6. So I end up with 5/6 as this product right here written in lowest terms. So here my first step was I actually multiply. Without actually multiplying, I just show that the numerator is the product of these two numerators. The denominator is the product of these two denominators. Then I decided, well, I'm not actually going to multiply here because later I'll just have to factor when I go to reduce to lowest terms. So I can see there's some factors common here. Let's divide these out. Let's factor these a little bit so I can see what factors I have common to the numerator and denominator. I'll divide those out. That gives me my answer in lowest terms.